What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. God bless you, stay happy. Join the TNS family. What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. So come along and join the family.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx.
Today we are here at the grand reception and we are here to celebrate a special 50th and a special 70th. So to Lucy and Betty, we wish you the best birthday ever. May God continue to bless you and bless you with many more years. Just know that Tuxx and I love you and appreciate you. So these special ladies come from our church here in Melbourne, Assembly of God Church of Samoa, and we all serve in the one church. So yeah, they're celebrating their special birthday today, and we're so excited because it's been a while since we put on a dress. Honey, show me. Husband, as you can see his attire, he actually was on a away job, so he's been away since Wednesday and he came down from Shepparton today. Lucky his job gave him the weekend off, so yeah, we're grateful that my husband is here. I was really sad without you.
It was good without you, honey, but yeah fam, we're so happy to be back. Thank you guys for all the support, the love that you guys continue to show through our socials and through our YouTube especially. So yeah, just want to spend a special shout out, big love to you guys.
Okay family, before we get into this video, I need you to go click that like button right now, and if you are not subscribed to our channel, go and subscribe to our channel. We love you TNS family, let's get this ball rolling.
She's not aware of where the venue is, so she's highly blindfolded. So once they do come in, if our family can just give a big surprise when she walks in, that would be great. And it'll just make our night a little more special.
Cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now.
There goes my mind racing. You are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless. I've climbed every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my hands shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could
Today is a wonderful day worth celebrating because today God Almighty gifted you with life. May you share the joy of salvation with everyone around you. You are as beautiful as the shining sun. No heart is purer than yours. Please let me down. God can see that as we all can. God bless you all and happy birthday.
I need you to see that you are the reason. You are the reason.
Okay everyone, this is Lucy. It is her 50th birthday.
The call will start first, but
What's next?
G, please get your item ready.
Oh, another item. Okay, so it's another item, but this is Lucy. Everyone please go down in the comment section and wish her a happy birthday. You look beautiful.
Sa imay tato ay nga. Why you feel a rainbow? Ito tato festival is ibese po ingay ay orosa imay serio sentula orto ona masaila yo tato fifianga ya ole meitsula ole a feula le keke a nana mama but iya happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Betty, Bessie, and Maya. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you.
Okay fam, so we're gonna end the night here. We are currently at the Falisa. I missed the whole trip. I missed the latwing in of the Fa'ili and the setup, but shout out to these guys, shout out to the band, shout out to Sera, shout out to you guys, 1, 2, 3, choo-hoo! Shout out to you. But we're gonna close off this vlog. We wanted to say a happy birthday to Lucy and Betty, and thank you David for the coffees, for the lattes. Thank you Candice. Appreciate it. Like we always say, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.